Hello, welcome to the video. Okay, computer remote desktop on Windows Server 2022 is part 2 of my server, my NAS overhaul mini-series. If you know what I'm doing somewhere on Windows Server, go see the first part. So I'm making it a lot easier. I don't like to have remote access to my NASs over the network. Windows is remote desktop connection. Let's set that up, shall we? We can start by heading over to the server manager. So we can boot the server up. And then we can select the local server. As you know, desktop will say disabled. Click on your disabled. Allow remote connections. That's fine. And don't need that. I'm good. We'll go into select users. And okay. Make sure I get access, so that should be good to go. Once you can hit add, type in your username. If you have one, I have just set this up. So I don't have any user account on here just yet. But it's already in here, so it's kind of, I'm not going to go there. Because if you type your username there in this little box, right here, check name, okay, and then you have access to the server remotely. We hit apply and okay. And to be honest, no, I'm going to tip off from here. I'm doing this. If I say disabled, that's fine. If we were to watch it, it should show that we're enabled. I just installed this box like 20 minutes ago. We have audio. That's pretty clean. Is it enabled now? I should see that 192.1.123 is our IP address. I'm gonna check that though. Yep. Alright. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find my main build, my main machine. So I'm recording this on actually. Alright, so we're going to go into my stream. And yes, I do have a machine running. However, this is not the server. This is not the same server I had. This is a one. I just have to do a PXE install on that server. I'm just continuing along with my parts here. So, alright, go right here. Remote desktop connection. Enter in the IP address of that computer. Enter in your login. Tell you to fuck off. And that same server. If you want to argue about the movement machine, well, here. I'll see you guys right here. Oh shit, wrong button. This is not the same machine. They're running on two different things. Because if you have two different, well, I'm going to do this test both, but you'll see this server has more computer on it than I just set it up. This has, what is one purposes, so I installed this computer. File storage purposes, eventually. That's part of the directory. Well, this has none of that, and therefore, these are not the same machine. This is not part of the tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not a real machine. This is a real machine on a real computer. So yeah. Have you all enjoyed this quick review on how to set active desktop or active desktop? Remote desktop, and I think active remote desktop next up. I take a remote desktop on a Windows Server machine. You all enjoyed. Listen to you guys. Take it easy.